Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, enter Google app. Tap More, go to Settings, Google Assistant, enter Hey Google and Voice Match, enable this feature, tap Next, Agree, Continue. Go back and enter lock screen, and also make sure that this is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, Hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's 8 and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 9 and a low of -1.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.